Right, this is Vibes in 5, Ghana's only social media celeb talk show, and again, we're bringing you another interesting conversation. Well, I say interesting because I know you know how it goes all the time on Vibes in 5. It is, and it remains, Ghana's only social media celeb talk show. We blow up brands. That's what we do on the show. My name is Arnold Mensah, and you can always call me, I know I'm looking good. I don't need to wait for you to tell me. My costume is provided by Which One Clothing. Which One Clothing. Call him on 05011555602. 05011555602, and he'll get you something beautiful. The other day I wore something, and Kwame Zagi wanted to wear something similar, so he had to call Which One Clothing to sort him out. And we're sponsored by Awo Komi. I keep saying it is Ghana's only, accepted Kenke product that's been, how will I say, modernized and repackaged to look good. It is only 10 Ghana cities, and so you can always get yourself Awo. Again, Xylophone View is your online cinema. Log on to www.xylophoneview.com and get to watch movies on there. Now you can pay just $2. So you pay its equivalent in cities, and you can pay via mobile money and also any other card, MasterCard especially. You can use your MasterCard to pay and watch movies on Xylophone View. We're also sponsored by Bieja Bitters, and the new one that's been added to the family is Forges Ginger Liqueur. The girls say we should go for Forges, and so we are going for Forges, and then we make sure that we serve you and we serve you better. So Forges Ginger Liqueur is the name. And again, this one goes out to the young guys out there. Charlie, we are working all right, we're making money here and there, but there's nothing like making too much money. So whichever way you make money, you need to make that money. And because of that, you need to get on to b247.com. It's a sports website. And when I talk sports, there is something added to it, which you know. So go on there, bet small, win more. Bet small, win more on b247.com, and come and tell us your testimony.
Bet 24 hours, 7 days a week. Enjoy the best online sports betting. Biggest odds, fastest payouts, bet small and win big.
I've got with me Saved. The name is Saved. I like the name, Saved. I don't know if he's in to save the industry or he's in to save himself or his family.
Definitely.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Right. I was there when your management contacted me that, they've seen the works we're doing, and so they would like to have Saved on it. And actually your publicist, Lappy G is my boy as well. So I'm like, okay, let's have Saved. What's so special about the brand Saved?
Well, I want to thank you first for granting me the interview.
Sure.
For some time now I've been wanting to get on, but thank God today we are here.
Yeah,
so
finally you're here.
I say thank you for granting me the interview.
Nice one.
Saved is an artist, is an high life artist.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't just do high life, but that is a brand, high life, but we do...
You do other things.
That's right.
But you're a high life artist.
High life artist.
Good,
yeah.
good.
So, and then the name Saved, like you said, yeah, we want to save the music industry because we believe we the upcoming ones, we have more strength and more energy, and then we've looked up so much to the mainstream arts, like, all this stuff, Sarkodie, the Shatawale, yeah, we've been looking at them, and we believe we've learned so much from them, and then with our own ideas, yeah, we try to add more flavor so that the high life thing wouldn't look archaic.
Okay, so you are trying to modernize high life to make it more contemporary.
Yeah,
I see.
Yeah.
So how long have you been doing this?
Well, I've been doing music for the past 7 years.
7 years?
Yeah.
So have you gathered enough experience, or you still think there's more to learn?
Yeah. I believe in music, we don't graduate, like we learn every day, because every time there's new trend, and you have to follow the trend sometimes, understand? Yeah, so I'm still learning. Yeah.
You're still learning?
Yeah, I'm still learning.
How many singles have you put out that people are actually enjoying?
Okay, before I was being signed on my label, which is Utmost Entertainment, and then I had some couple of songs, when upcoming, you want to
Yeah,
just
you
put in
record
some one,
stuff.
two,
Yeah.
a couple of them, but officially with my label, Utmost Entertainment, we have one single out there, Crazy.
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 That's
yeah.
the title.
Yeah.
Who produced that one?
Samoji.
Samoji.
Yeah, and then it was mixed by Posiji.
Posiji mixed it.
Yeah.
Samoji produced it.
Yeah.
Right. Did you feature anyone on it, or it's just you?
Yeah, just me, but we featured Mr. Autry.
Mr.
Played
Autry.
the saxophone. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so there's saxophone.
Yeah,
on
the
it.
saxophone.
What story are you telling with Crazy?
Well, Crazy, it's just about making women feel making women feel special, Like, a man, you can't live without a woman, so
A man cannot live without a
we
woman.
cannot live without a
Oh,
woman.
you think so?
Yeah. We can. I think God have. That way God.
That we are God add woman.
You understand?
Because men cannot live without
No, we
women.
can't live without women.
And
And they are so special.
Okay.
So I made it. It's just telling the woman how crazy, someone can be to them. You understand?
how crazy someone can be to them.
Yeah.
Do you have a video for that?
Yeah, we have a video.
You have a video and you have the audio. All are out.
All are out.
And how is it doing?
Okay, we dropped the video. That's the YouTube one. We dropped it, I think, a month ago.
Okay.
Yeah. So my team, they are on the promo now, the TV promo and other stuff.
Wow.
Yeah. And the video was directed by KP Salom.
Okay. KP
Yeah.
Salam directed the video.
Yeah, the video. Yeah.
Do you know the views so far on YouTube?
Unfortunately, I haven't because of everything
can't
studio.
remember?
Yeah, I can't remember really.
Oh, are you a studio rat? Are you always in a studio?
Yeah, I have my own studio. So,
Okay.
like, I sleep in a studio.
You sleep in a
I sleep
studio.
in a studio every day in the studio.
So you do your own productions
Yeah,
sometimes?
I do my own. Sometimes I do the fundamentals, and then I feel like, come on, okay, I need to, make this producer touch it a little because I believe in,
Sharing ideas. Yeah.
to make it the best.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm always working. Yeah.
Wow. Have you started playing some gigs either on a large scale, on a small scale? Have you started playing gigs?
Yeah, we started playing some gigs. Last week, we did this. The Ghana Boxing Authority, they are having some show to promote the Ghana boxing, and then I'm on it with Sarko there, and so it's a blessing.
It's a blessing for you.
It's a blessing. It's just by the grace of God that we are chosen to be there.
Right.
It's not that we are too good. It's just by the grace of God.
So
Yeah.
which high life artists do you pay a lot of respect to?
I don't really have I believe they all do good. I listen to most of them, like the Amach Dede, the Kojuentry, Kobna Bisakede, and then now Kiddies and the Kwame Eugene,
You
they
listen
are
to
doing
all
really
of
good.
them?
Yeah, it's music. You need to listen to everybody. That
Right.
is it. So I believe everybody is doing good.
You write your own songs?
I write my own songs. Everything.
Everything?
Everything.
You write your own songs?
My own songs, yeah.
Wow. So after Crazy, which you've already put out there that people are enjoying, do you have another song ready that as soon as Crazy blows, you're going to back it up with?
Yeah, I have a song with Kelvin Boy, which will be dropping early December.
Early December?
Yeah, early December. That's what and then previously we wanted to, I have a song with Kewa, Sa, title Sa, yeah, but we are still working on it to make it that, because Kewa really loved that song, and even he wanted to use that song. He's having a program titled Pamper Your Woman.
Vampire Woman?
Yeah.
And then you wanted to use
that song, yeah, because
that you recorded with Kelvin Boy?
no,
Another song that
another
you
song
recorded.
that I did, yeah. So that's why we are holding on with that song
Okay.
for now, and then we are coming up with the one with Kelvin Boy. Yeah.
Then after that, you can move on to
Move
the
on
third
to.
one.
We have a lot of songs. I've recorded a lot of songs, which
Wow.
in my label I find it difficult to know which one to bring. Yeah.
So they listen and then they choose one.
Yeah, that's
So how long are you going to stay with Utmost Entertainment though?
as much as they want. I haven't made up my mind on it. Yeah, as much as they want.
How is the deal like? Are they taking good care of you? Your promotional plans?
Very very good care of me. Like I keep saying it, I keep saying this, that it's just by the grace of God that, because I didn't go out there to look for Utmost Entertainment, or I didn't go perform for them to see me, to sign me. But I was.
How
in the
did it
studio.
happen?
Yeah. Okay. Actually, Utmost Entertainment is a movie production. This thing.
Okay.
So I was in the studio sometime, and then I had a call, and then they said, oh, "Okay, are you a producer?" I said, oh, "Yeah, I'm a producer." And I said, okay. They said, "Okay, they have a movie, and then they want me to do the soundtrack for them or something like that." Yeah. So actually, the boss didn't come, but the team came, and then I did something for them. And then they just like the next day they called me. They're like they want to sign me on their label. They want me to be the artist of
Utmost Entertainment.
I'm like, whoa.
And you agreed. You didn't do any research, track records.
Yeah, I did.
You did due diligence.
Yeah, I did. Actually, I had to. When I heard that, and even before they called me, after the soundtrack, I went on their website to check. Okay, what are they really doing? And I'm like, no, come on, they are professional. I mean, they have all the top stars on there. So, I mean, I feel blessed that. So that's how come I agreed to the terms. And the boss is a very humble and very calm and very selfless man. So I think I fell in love with him.
And then you're good. Everything is going on well with you.
Everything is going on.
Charlie, give me some singing freestyles.
I tell you.
Mommy freestyle.
More freestyle.
Crazy, me pe crazy.
Open
Crazy, yeah.
Sanka udon kwani odaka oyasima. He kameku me humpa na masumu ye. He cheme se na me sindo humfa ode. Hey. Umwajinjin kwati mafoma kakiti kiti ode. I got so much love to give you. Very big heart to love you. So much love to give you ode. Yeah. I got so much love to give you. Very big heart to love you. So much love to give you ode. Baby udama I the crazy baby. I the crazy baby. I the crazy baby, I the crazy baby, Udama, I the crazy baby. And this part I love much.
Yeah.
It says, Omobeya ya, Bini Udoidia and Zada, Obinsion Tiasia, Obetimek Hagi Transformer. Every day and night, it's you I want to show some love to, baby. You did blow my mind, hold me tight, show some love. I got so much love to give you. Very big heart to love you, so much love to give you, baby, Udama, I the crazy.
Wow, beautiful song, man.
Yeah,
I like
so,
it. But I think the line you just sang right now is for Strong Man and Kwame Eugene song, yeah?
No, it's Akwabwa.
Akwabwa.
Yeah.
Is Akwabwa's line?
Yeah, Akwabwa, yeah.
And then you took it from there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. But you gave credit to him?
Yeah, we did.
You did give credit to him?
Yeah, my team did.
Your team did. So
Yeah.
you're sorted. You're cleared.
We are
No
cleared.
copyright issues.
No copyright issues.
Charlie, how do we link up on social media?
Well, on social media, you can find me on Facebook, at Official Saved on Facebook, and on Instagram. On Instagram, I am saved GH.
I am saved GH.
Yeah, and on Twitter at I am saved GH.
All right. On Twitter at I am saved GH. On Facebook is what?
At Official Saved.
At Official Saved.
Yeah.
That's the name on
Yeah.
Facebook. Crazy. Anything else you'd love to tell your fans? Any new project you're working on any information? Just put it out there.
Okay, well, first of all, I want to say a very big thank you to everybody following me, everybody believing in my dream, my talent, and the support has been crazy.
Massive.
Crazy, and I love what they are doing, and I pray that God bless them for whatever they are doing, but I want them also to do more, to push more. I push the brand. Anything I put on my page, like it, share it, I mean, pass a comment, let's feel it, let's have that family, you understand? And then I promise you I won't let you down, because I'm that artist that I'm always recording, and I believe consistency makes you perfect. So sometimes I might not be perfect, but I believe with your comments and your advice and stuff like that, it will make me perfect and I'll get to the top.
Right.
So God bless you, and God bless my boss, Mr. Prince, Ultimate Entertainment, my manager, all the team, Mounts Multimedia. I mean, everybody supporting the movie.
Big up themselves.
Everybody.
Big up. I like that name, Mounts Multimedia. Anyway, Save just wrapped up on a good note. He says Charlie supports. And Charlie support. If you post something, share them, like them, comment. Charlie, let's show the support, you know. Let's show it. My name is Arnold Mensah. This has been Vibes in 5, and big ups to our sponsors one more time. Xylophone View, Awokomi, Biejap Beaters, Forgers, B247.com.